Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Norway, Northern Europe, culture, nature, and adventure. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Norway is a Nordic country located in northern Europe, known for its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and high standard of living. It is a popular destination for tourists and a great place to live and work. Norway is situated in the northern part of Europe, bordering Sweden to the east, Finland and Russia to the northeast, the North Sea to the west, the Norwegian Sea to the northwest. Norway has a rich and complex history with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Stone Age. The country was united under a single rule in the 9th century and later became part of the Kalmar Union with Denmark and Sweden. Norway gained independence from Denmark in 1814 and has since developed into a modern, prosperous nation. Norway's climate varies greatly depending on the region. The country experiences cold winters with snow and ice in the north, mild winters with rain in the south, short, cool summers in the north, warmer summers in the south. Some major airports in Norway include Oslo Airport, Gardermoen, OSL, Bergen Airport, Flesland, BGO, Stavanger Airport, Sola, SVG, Tromsø Airport, Langnes, TOS. The population of Norway is approximately 5.3 million people, with majority of the population living in urban areas. High life expectancy and low infant mortality rate. Aging population with a high percentage of seniors. The majority of Norwegians are Lutheran Christians. Secular and tolerant society, strong emphasis on community and social welfare. The official languages of Norway are Norwegian, Bokmål and Nynorsk. Sami languages, recognized minority languages. English widely spoken, especially among younger people and in tourist areas. Norway has a rich cultural heritage with strong traditions, folk, music, dance, and handicrafts. Famous authors like Henrik Sixteensen and Nat Hansson. Iconic artists like Edvard Munch. The education system in Norway is publicly funded and highly regarded, free for everyone, including international students. Strong emphasis on STEM education and research. The cost of living in Norway is high compared to other countries, driven by high taxes, expensive food, and housing. but also high standard of living and good quality of life. The per capita income in Norway is high, around 70,000 US dollars per year, driven by strong economy, high taxes, and oil wealth. Taxes are high but provide good public services and social welfare. Norway is a parliamentary constitutional monarchy, multi-party system with regular elections, strong emphasis on democracy and human rights. The government of Norway has policies and programs focused on social welfare and healthcare, education and research, environmental protection and sustainability, economic development, and innovation. Norway is divided into 18 counties, fylker, 356 municipalities, kommuner. Some major rivers in Norway include Glomma River, Drammenselva River, Numedal's Lagan River. Norway is rich in natural resources, including oil and gas, hydroelectric power, timber and forestry, fish and seafood. Some popular tourist attractions in Norway include fjords. Example, Sognefjord, Hardangerfjord, waterfalls. Example, Vettisfossen, Njostolafossen, mountains. Example, Jotunheimen, Trolltunga, cities. Example, Oslo, Bergen, Tromsø. Major cities and towns in Norway include Oslo, capital city, Bergen, second largest city, Stavanger, oil industry hub, Tromsø, Arctic city, Ellesund, art, Norwegian architecture, Fredrikstad, historic city, Sandnes, thriving town near Stavanger, Drammen, city near Oslo, Kristiansand, city in southern Norway, Haugesund, city on the west coast. Norway has a strong economy with opportunities in oil and gas industry, technology and IT, healthcare and social services, finance and banking, tourism and hospitality. Norway has significant mineral resources including iron ore, copper, nickel, titanium. The country has a diverse manufacturing sector including shipbuilding, automotive, aerospace, food processing. Agriculture is an important sector in Norway with production of graros, wheat, barley, livestock, cattle, sheep, pigs, fish and seafood, salmon, cod. Norway has a strong trade sector with significant exports of oil and gas, machinery and equipment, metals and minerals, fish and seafood. The country has a favorable business environment with strong economy and stable politics, high standard of living and educated workforce, government support for innovation and entrepreneurship. Norway has a well established legal framework with laws governing business operations, employment, intellectual property, environment. The country has a well developed transportation network including roads, railways, airports, ports. The official currency is the Norwegian krone, NOK. The country has a well developed banking system with commercial banks, industrial banks, ATMs, and credit card acceptance. Norway offers a range of accommodation options including hotels, hostels, guest houses, apartments. Visitors can purchase a local SIM card from mobile network operators, Telenor, Telia, convenience stores, kiosks. Norwegians tend to dress casually but practically, warmly for cold weather, respectfully for cultural events. Norwegian cuisine includes seafood, salmon, cod, shrimp, meat dishes, lamb, beef, traditional dishes, lutfisk, jod, kaker, baking, and pasties. Visitors can get around Norway by public transportation, buses, trains, rental car, taxi, bike. Visitors should respect local customs and traditions, follow traffic rules and regulations, be prepared for changing weather conditions. The national flag features a Scandinavian cross, while the national anthem is Ja vi elsker dette landet. Yes, we love this country. Visitors from most countries require a valid passport to enter Norway. Some nationalities may require a visa. Visitors can plan the trip to Norway by researching popular destinations, booking accommodations and transportation, creating an itinerary. A typical day in Norway might include exploring natural and outdoor activities, visiting cultural attractions, enjoying local cuisine. Norway is generally a safe country with low crime rates. Visitors should still take normal precautions to ensure their safety. The cost of living in Norway is high with expensive food and accommodation, high taxes. Norway has a strong reputation for peacekeeping and diplomacy, humanitarian aid and development, international cooperation. Some interesting facts about Norway include the country is famous for its forests and natural beauty. Norway is a leader in sustainable energy and environmental protection. The country has a strong cultural heritage with many festivals and traditions. Norway is a unique and fascinating country with a mix of stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and high standard of living. From forts to the cities, there is something for every type of traveler. With its strong economy, high standard of living, and commitment to sustainability, Norway is a great destination for tourists and business travelers alike. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.